Okay, is that right?
Yes. Pamela could not make it. My name is Ayub, and I'll be representing the team today. I am the team lead at Amicus, and at Amicus we believe the friends talk. Because when we talk, great things happen. Unfortunately, over 60% of our brothers and sisters keep silent over the ordeal they've gone through. Over 60% of Kenyans who go through gender-based violence do not talk. Why do you think this is the case? Because of you and me. We victimize. We judge them harshly. And some of us still believe in customary laws and certain beliefs that works against the society. When we go online, it is 3 times the impact. It is permanent because the internet never forgets. A research conducted by the University of Nairobi on technology-facilitated gender-based violence indicate that this is a very, very critical problem at our universities. And that is the problem I want us to talk about today. Let me tell you the story of Wanjiru and Omosh. 3 years of good relationship, happy relationship, one day came to an end over a small disagreement. Omosh, being an AI expert, decided to pick one photo of Wanjiru Our platform secures and anonymizes your identity. In the technical world, it is known as public and private keys. So the public knows your public key. The private key is known only to you, but you exist. So that encryption comes with something called blockchain. So it anonymizes your data and makes sure that only the relevant person can actually access and process your information. So through our platform, we provide a platform where they can learn about GBV. And if you're a perpetrator, you know how the consequences, because no person was born a perpetrator of violence and no child was born a victim of violence. So both our platform caters for this. As a perpetrator, you need to know where to get help and the consequences of the choices you've made. Yeah? So when you come to sharing, on the social media platform, you can actually go to Facebook on this organization where there's a discussion. When there is a lot of bullying in that platform, you shy away from it. Our platform makes sure that that space is safe. And then when it comes to reporting, it anonymizes and it allows you a channel to access an ecosystem that you can trust. Our traction, we've closed a contract with one NGO on a pilot basis because this is a very sensitive issue. Then we need to do some thorough testing. We have users on both WhatsApp and Facebook and are engaging. So we are testing the kind of messages and the kind of responses the chatbot is producing. 58.3%, a study says, done in Kibera indicates that gender-based violence in Kibera visits gender-based violence survivors in Kibera. They visit WhatsApp and Facebook at least 3 times a week. That is the target market where we can ask them to talk. Our pricing model is that of 5 shillings per message. Our growth strategy, we started with Facebook. We are going to SMS to include beyond technology-facilitated gender-based violence. And we plan to work with groups. That is the team. Pamela has a lot of experience in CBO and NGO activity and user journeys on the process, bringing together psychologists. I am the tech guy, and we are building this with the trust in mind. Our competition, what makes us unique? Number one, we are adding legal context to the discussion between the survivor and the chatbot. Besides that, we are multi-channel, and we are providing a very safe, and our theory of change is if we allow only 3 people access to the real identity of this gender-based violence survivor, they'll be comfortable enough to talk. That is our projection. That is our financial projection. Based on that projection, we are estimating that within the next 5 years, we are going to have 5,000 app users because every single system, the CBOs and NGOs will ride on the platform. We are asking $50,000 to be able to build these mobile apps and expand the growth and let every person in that service delivery provide themselves to support our brothers and sisters. Ladies and gentlemen, join Amicus. Let's be friends for justice. Let's support our brothers and sisters. Today, you're a GBV potential. Tomorrow, you're a GBV survivor. Do something before becoming a GBV survivor. Thank you very much.